Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today is your week 3rd day 1 lecture. Today's topic is keys and relationship. In this lecture we will discuss about keys in the database table. Okay. In the database table mostly two different people have the same name but they are still the two different people. What does it mean? It means that in every database table or in any table there are the student, they're the people who have the same name, even they have the same surname, even they have the same area also. Then how you can identify they are the two different people? When they have the same name, same surname, then they create a duplication in the record. They are the same name with two record, so having the same name can create the duplication in. Okay, this is the record. You can see the highlighted record. The highlighted record shows that they are the record which create duplication in the data. Actually they are the different people, but due to the same record they create the duplication. You can see the highlighted record. They create the duplication in the record. Okay, the question arises that how do we understand that they are the two different people? If they have the same record, then how you can identify? Okay, the second question arises is how you can uniquely identify the record in the database, so that how you can identify the record which is unique. Okay, third is how you can avoid the duplication of data in the database table. These are the question, and what about the solution? The solution is primary key. We can set the primary key in the table so that you can easily uniquely identify the record. Okay, first we discuss what is a primary key. Primary key is a column or a group of column in a table that uniquely identify every row in a table. So if you want to identify the uniquely identify the row, you can set the primary key. The primary key can't be a duplicate, meaning the same value can't appear more than once in the table. Okay, if you have the it's mean that you cannot with the help of primary key there are no more duplication in the record. A table cannot have more than one primary key. In every table there is only one primary key. You can see in this table, if the name or the surname or any, or even if a course ID is the same, but if you have student ID must be unique. The example is in the classroom, when you are there, the student who have the same name, even the same surname, but we have given the roll number. Because every student have the unique roll number. If their name surname is same but their roll number is unique, so we can set the roll number as a primary key. We can set the CNIC in the table. If the student have the CNIC, we can set the CNIC as a primary key. Primary key must be unique. Every student's CNIC number is always unique, so that we can set the primary key. So roll number can be primary key because it is always unique. Rules for defining primary key: the two rows can't have the same primary key value. It must for every row to have a primary key value. Every row must have a primary key. Every student have the primary key, even so their roll number must be a primary key. The primary key field cannot be null. So these are the rules you must follow. So in this lecture we have only discussed about what are primary key. Okay, thank you.